Hello guys, this is Subhasree and I welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox some of my recently purchased must-have art and craft supplies. So welcome to today's video on top 5 crafting items which are available at Amazon in a discounted combo offer. Like the first item is a pack of 5 stainless steel painting knives with brush and sponge. The second item is this cool packet of 47 pieces clay crafting molds and shaping tools. Third item is a combo pack of white and black gesso. The fourth item is a combo pack of colorful and slotted ice cream sticks. Fifth item is a pack of 4 beautiful decoupage tissue papers. With all these crafting materials, I made a wall hanging in just 5 minutes. I'll show you that in this video, so let's check them out. And yes, I have given the link of all these items in the description box below this video so that you can get them easily from Amazon if you really want to make your crafting experience easy, enjoying and exciting. So let's unbox the first item of today's list. So this packet contains 1 painting synthetic brush, 1 sponge to dab colors, and it contains set of 5 stainless steel painting knives. I already had a pair of this kind of knives with me which I used for my mural painting on the wall or all other craft item which I made from white cement. But now I have the complete set of 5 knives of different shapes and sizes, which will definitely help me to get better shapes while doing sculptures or doing 3D acrylic paintings. When I bought this combo pack last week, it had cost me 299 rupees. And the seller's name is F4 Wave. Now let's unbox this combo pack. This pack contains 47 pieces of cake, cookies or clay cutting dies and molding tools. I brought this at rupees 450 from an Amazon seller named Bullfees. If you have seen my previous DIY videos, you know that I do all fine tunings and detailing on my clay crafts by my bare hand or paper knives. But from now on, whenever I'll be doing my next clay crafting project, I will use these tools and definitely share the result with you all in my next video. So you need to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon to get notified of all my new videos. I upload videos every Sunday on home decor, shopping hauls and DIY projects. So I was showing you the second item of today's list, which contains these pink colored 12 pieces shaping tools and 47 other shaping molds like these. And these shapes look so fine-tuned and cute that I couldn't wait for long. I just jumped into giving them a try, and it's super easy to use. And see how quickly we can make shapes out of clay like this. There are almost 8 to 9 different shapes, and each shape has different sizes. Like this star have 6 different sizes. The butterfly are available in 3 different sizes. The leaves are also available in 3 different sizes. Then we have sunflower, heart. We also have variety of flowers like jasmine, sunflower, plum blossom, and small flowers also, which we can use for making flower buds. Flowers, leaves are very common shapes that we require in almost all clay DIY projects. So that makes this item a must-have item for clay crafting. These molds are also used for decorating homemade cakes or cookies. Now let's unbox the next combo product of today's list. This is a combo of black and white gesso. Gesso is a kind of paint which is used as primer. It is a mixture of gypsum, chalk, pigment, etc., which makes the solution slightly textured, and thus when it is applied on any surface, be it wood or metal or paper, it dries hard and makes the surface more stiff. And that is how it prepares the surface for oil painting or acrylic paints. I have seen a lot of YouTube videos or Pinterest painting ideas where gesso is used and the result is impressive, so I thought of giving it a try. Gesso can work as a primer on any surface, canvas, ply or metal. So I want to try them on these empty metal cans of Red Bull because I'm planning to make pen stand out of these empty cans. So today I'll just prepare these cans for further oil paints. Let's see how the gesso work on metal surface. While applying this on the surface, it looks glossy or shiny, but when it dries up, it gives a matte finish. So as you can see, this is how it looks when it dries up. It looks little matte. This is the first coat of gesso that I've applied on this metal cans. And the difference between this and the normal primer is that it dries up very fast. And we require much less quantity of gesso compared to the commonly found wall primer which I have been using till date. Primer is essential, especially if we are working with oil color like this. The oil color will obviously tend to flow out of the surface like this. So we must use gesso as a primer before we apply any color. A single bottle of this gesso cost around 300 rupees, but this combo pack of black and white cost only 500 rupees in Amazon. So it gives a flat 100 rupees savings, and this comes from a brand named as Brushtro, and this brand has a very good rating from customers in Amazon. I have been using other products from the same brand. I use Brustro's Gloss Varnish when I make a craft out of plywood or cardboard. So that's how I can say Brustro's products are of pretty good quality, and this pack of black and white gesso is a must-have item. Next item is branch of ice cream sticks. These colorful ice cream sticks comes in a pack of 2 and the seller's name is Rangeela World of Art. This combo pack contained 300 pieces in total and it cost around $2.99. Quality of these color sticks are much better than the normal ice cream sticks. We can use these colorful sticks to make beautiful craft items easily. In Amazon, I found another kind of colorful wooden ice cream sticks. This also comes in a pack of 2 from a seller named as Asian Hobby Crafts, and it's priced around 200 rupees for 100 pieces. These 10 cm long sticks are known as slotted ice cream sticks because they have multiple slots in them, and these slots can hold one stick on top of the other easily. That's how we can make pen stand or fences out of them without using any kind of glue. I wish I had this colorful slotted sticks while making the boat-shaped nail polish organizer which I had shared in my last video. I had to paint each ice cream sticks with different colors and then glue them on top of each other. All these steps I could have easily skipped if I had this ready-to-use colorful slotted ice cream sticks with me. But you guys can try making this kind of boat cum organizer at home very easily using these ready-to-use colorful slotted sticks. Product links are given in the description box below. You can check them now. And if you haven't seen that video of making this boat cum organizer, then please do watch it. The link of the video is given here up in the cards and also in the description box below. Now let me show you the last item of today's list. This is a pack of 4 beautifully designed table napkins or tissue papers. These tissue papers are widely used for decoupage art. I bought this pack of 4 tissue papers from Amazon from a seller named as Ready Shop Go at rupees 200. So now let me show you how easily I made a wall hanging decoupage art form in just 5 minutes with all the items I have shown you in today's video. First, I have cut it out a cardboard in a hexagon shape and I am applying some Mod Podge on it. Mod Podge is a all-time needed crafting item because it serves three purposes. It is a water-based glue, it's an excellent sealant which seals the surface and prepare it for decoupage art, and also gives a glossy finish to our crafted item. It can be used on all surfaces and is very quick drying. In Amazon, 95 ml or 3 ounce bottle cost around 279 rupees. I guess decoupage art form is the easiest art form because we just need to take paper cutouts or tissue papers like this and stick it on any surfaces like glass, wood, metal, cardboard, literally any surfaces which we want to beautify. So we need to apply the Mod Podge as a base coat and a top coat also so that it seals the tissue paper on the cardboard completely. Now I will stick those colorful ice cream sticks as a border to this tissue paper. Now I will use this colorful crafting clay and the clay molds to add some ornaments to the wall hanging. This kind of colorful clays are available at ₹100 in Amazon. I have given the link of the product in the description box. You can get it from there. And then with the help of those cool clay crafting molds, I have quickly shaped out some flowers, leaves, butterflies. I am simply loving these clay molds because they have made my clay crafting so easy, quick and refreshing. We can use small portions of different colors of this clay and make a ball out of it. Then we can use this multicolored ball to make multicolored flowers or butterflies out of the molds, like this. And then simply glue them randomly on top of the wall hanging. It's super easy to do and it hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes to complete this kind of wall hanging. Now the last or the final step is to apply gloss varnish as a top coat on this art form. I have already mentioned about this gloss varnish before in this video. This is Brashto's gloss varnish which needs to be applied as a top coat on our glass, plywood or metal crafted items, decor pieces or paintings because varnish is an excellent sealant and helps to protect our art form from UV rays and rainfall. So this wall hanging that I'm making now can be hanged at a balcony or any outdoor areas as this varnish will not let the color to fade away with sunlight or rainfall. And that's it. My wall hanging is ready to be hung on the walls. All the crafting items that I've covered in today's video are must-have items for people like me who loves to decorate their houses with their own crafted item but are super busy in their work life and hardly gets time or have enough patience left for their hobbies of art and craft. These cool crafting items will definitely work wonders. So don't wait, go get them if you don't have them yet and start crafting. With that, this is Subhasree signing off for today. I'll come back next week with another set of new videos of home decor, shopping haul or DIY projects. Till then, stay tuned to my channel. Have a happy week ahead and thanks for watching this video.